Starting with the basic components of the system, and it is very important to know about the system to which you are going to draft. Generally, there are four basic components of the CCTV system: cameras, video recorders, display units, and the cables. See in this diagram how these four components are interconnected to perform a desired function of surveillance. These are the cameras. Different types of cameras used to take the images or videos for a specified area. Then this is the cable, transmission cable, that are transmit the data from cameras to the video recorders. Then we have video recorders. It is used to process the data received from cameras and store the data for future references. And finally we have display unit. At this stage, you can be able to monitor the area for which you have installed the complete system. Okay, so in the further discussion, we will explain each component one by one. Let's start with cameras. Let's start with first component, cameras. There are many different types of cameras are available in a market. Which is best fitted for you is depends on your specific needs or requirements. In this lecture, we will discuss some of the popular cameras that will help you to know the basic difference among a variety of cameras. So first one we have dome camera. The name of this camera itself shows why it is named as dome. It is because the shape of this camera looks like a dome. You can see in this picture. Because of this dome-shaped cabinet, it is known as dome camera. And because of this dome-like shape, it is really difficult for people to know the direction of camera, means in which direction camera is pointing. It is not easy to see. Therefore, this creates an air of uncertainty for the criminals, and due to this uncertainty among the criminals may avoid the crime that may happen. Okay? And these types of cameras are suitable for indoor as well as for outdoor use. But mostly these dome cameras are used for indoor because it can be placed on a strategic point on the ceiling to cover all the angles of the room. Okay. And you can find these cameras are best for homes, shops, restaurants and hotels because it can cover wider area. Fine. So this is the dome camera. This next we have bullet camera. In this image, it is clear to see that bullet cameras are available in cylindrical shape, and these cameras are capable to observe long distances. Means bullet camera allows to observe or monitor over long distances. So this type of camera is more suitable for outdoor uses, and because of its iconic design, it tells the people you are under surveillance. And as this is suitable for outdoor purposes, therefore its body is made water resistant and dust proof. Okay, now come day-night cameras. This type of cameras are specially designed to operate effectively in the low lighting environment. Not only in dark environment, but it has also the ability to operate efficiently in the direct sunlight. Okay, so during daytime as well as in night time, it can record clear video images that will not be affected by changing lighting conditions. Clear? And similarly, as bullet camera, these cameras are also suitable for outdoor use, but the extra sensitive capability of lighting makes this one unique. And as this is using for outdoor purpose, so the body is also made water and dust proof. Okay, so this is the day-night CCTV camera, which has main benefit of the ability to record clear video images in any lighting condition, that is in poor lighting condition or it may be sunlight condition. Then after this we have network IP camera. This is an internet protocol camera which is commonly referred to as an IP camera. Usually the IP cameras receives and sends data to or from remote location over the internet. Thus requires only network connection to transmit data without connecting any transmission cable. Okay, it requires only the internet connection. Then this IP camera has its own IP address. Therefore you can access the video video images easily from anywhere in the world. Okay, then general CCTV cameras convert the video signals in a format that can be processed by DVRs, but the IP cameras convert the video signals into small IP packets and transmit them to the network storage device like as a server over internet. Okay, it transmits the data in the form of IP packets to the storage devices over the internet. And these cameras are ideal choice for those who are often away from their location, or ideal choices for those who are on move continuously, so the footage can be viewed from anywhere in the world via laptop or smartphones. Okay, now similarly we have wireless CCTV cameras. Generally, this wireless camera was created to reduce the installation time. So I can say that wireless CCTV camera is much easier to install than any other CCTV camera. Okay, similar to IP cameras, these wireless system also use internet connection to transmit the data. Clear? Then finally we have HD cameras, where HD stands for high definition. So these high definition cameras are used to capture high clarity pictures. So on zooming the image, it will not be distorted. Therefore, I can say that you can zoom the image without getting any blurriness in your image. Okay? And these HD cameras are much popular to install in an area where we have high risk of theft. Like we should install these cameras in banks or like in jewelry shops to capture the visitors' activities in a perfect clarity. Okay, so these are the some types of CCTV cameras we have discussed in a very brief manner. Hope the topic is clear for you.